Okay, pool update time. The water has now been on for 24 hours, and this is the level where it currently sits. Okay, so we're not too far off, but of course it gets really wider at the top, so it's going to take a little longer to get it finished. I'm trying to get down these steps without falling. Okay, so I'm walking around in the shallow area right now. Steps are now fully complete. We even have the little no slip tread stuff on them, and we completed the walkway over the spillway, complete with no slip tread so Mama doesn't fall. And currently the hubs is sitting right over behind me. Working on finishing out the skimmer, which there's a lot of trash and just stuff floating on the top because if the level's not high enough to get the skimmer going yet. But that's what he's over there doing, and then we're going to finish the pier, so all the framing there. And we worked on getting the pump house shingled and got most of the trim up so far. But this is where we currently are. Mason, would you like to jump out there and show this is our drop off. We don't do a gradual slide into the deep end. We have a shallow and then drop off and then the deep end. But anyway, we're getting closer.